Good morning, listeners of Benguet, especially to our grade 3 learners. We are great to be with you in our school on the air.
This is DJ Emma Rose from Mankayan.
And this is DJ Gerson from Atok.
At your service.
It's time for our mathematics class again. Today, we are going to learn on estimating difference of two numbers with 3 to 4 digits with reasonable results. Before we discuss, may I remind you of the following.
Be comfortable in your place.
We are now in quarter 1, week 7, about estimating difference of two numbers with 3 to 4 digits with reasonable results. So, get your modules now. Listen carefully to the discussion.
Lastly, to our guardians or parents, please listen also so that you can help your child later. Can you still remember a topic on how to estimate differences? You must remember that when we estimate numbers, we must round off the numbers to the highest place value. If we round off numbers, we must look at the next number to the highest place value. If the next number to the highest place value are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, just copy the highest place value and change all the numbers to 0.
Examples. Number 1. 4065 is equal to 4000. Number 2. 4136 is equal to 4000. Number 3. 4247 is equal to 4000. Number 4. 4386 is equal to 4000. Number 5. 4438 is equal to 4000. In these examples, 4 is the highest value.
In example number 1, the next number to the highest place value is 4065 is 0. In example number 2, the next number to the highest place value in 4136 is 1. In example number 3, the next number to the highest place value is in 4247 is 2. And in example number 4, the next number to the highest place value in 4386 is 3. And the last example, the next number to the highest place value in 4438 is 4.
In these examples, all the answers are 4000. How about if the numbers next to the highest place value are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9? We must add 1 to the highest value, then change the other numbers to 0. Now, we are going to use the same examples, but we are going to change the next numbers to the highest place value to 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Examples. Number 1. 4565 is equal to 5000. Number 2. 4636 is equal to 5000. Number 3. 4747 is equal to 5000. Number 4. 4886 is equal to 5000. Number 5. 4938 is equal to 5000. In these examples, we add 1 to the highest place value. So, 4 is the highest place value plus 1 is equal to 5. Then we change the numbers to 0, so the answer is 5000. Now, we're going to apply it in estimating difference of two numbers with 3 to 4 digits with reasonable result. Example, 8292 minus 5619 is equal to. So, before we estimate the difference, we must first round off the numbers to the highest place value. So, 8292 is round off to 8000. And 5619 is round off to 6000. Then, subtract. So, 8,000 minus 6,000 is 2,000.
In your Muzo, you answered different activities and assessments. How is the result of each activity?
How about the post-assessment?
Did you get perfect?
If yes, great! Work well done.
If not, don't worry. You can review your module.
So now, we will discuss the post-assessment.
I hope this will help you. Please open your module on page 11.
We will answer the item per number and know how we got the correct answer. Let us start. Direction. Estimate the difference and choose the letter of the correct answer.
Number 1. 523 minus 195.
Letter A,
100,
B,
200,
C,
300,
and letter D.
400.
And number 1, the correct answer is letter
C. 300.
How did we arrive to that answer? First, we round off the number to the highest place value. So 523 is round off to 500 because 5 is the highest place value and 2 is the next number to the highest place value. And 195 is round off to 200 because 1 is the highest place value and 9 is the next number to the highest place value. Then, we are going to subtract. 500 minus 200 is equal to
300. Letter C. Number 2. 791 minus 355.
letter A,
200,
letter B,
400,
letter C,
600,
letter D.
800.
Next, number 2. The correct answer is letter
B. 400.
How did we get the answer? The same in number 1. We round off the numbers to the highest place value. So, 791 is round off to 800 because 7 is the highest place value and the 9 is the next number to the highest place value. And 355 is round off to 400 because 3 is the highest place value and 5 is the next number to the highest place value. Then, we are going to subtract. 800 minus 400 is equal to
400. Letter B. Number 3. 7,298 minus 2,961.
letter A,
1,000.
B,
2,000.
letter C,
3,000.
and letter D.
4,000.
How about number 3? The correct answer is letter
D. 4,000.
How did we arrive to that answer? First is to round off the numbers to the highest place value. So 7,298 is round off to 7,000 because 7 is the highest place value and 2 is the next number to the highest place value. And 2,961 is round off to 3,000 because 2 is the highest place value and 9 is the next number to the highest place value. Then, we are going to subtract. 7,000 minus 3,000 is equal to
4,000. Letter D. Number 4. 9,172 minus 6,276.
letter A,
3,000.
letter B,
6,000.
letter C,
9,000.
and letter D.
12,000.
Next, number 4. The correct answer is letter
A. 3,000.
How did we get the number? The answer. The same in the other numbers. We round off the numbers to the highest place value. So, 9,172 is round off to 9,000 because 9 is the highest place value and 1 is the next number to the highest place value and 6,276 is round off to 6,000 because 6 is the highest place value and 2 is the next number to the highest place value. So, if we're going to subtract 9,000 minus 6,000 is equal to
3,000. Letter A. Number 5. 7,831 minus 2,512.
letter A,
2,000.
letter B,
3,000.
letter C,
4,000.
letter D,
5,000.
and the last number. The correct answer is letter D,
D,
5,000. How did we arrive to that answer? We round off the numbers to the highest place value. So, 7,831 is round off to 8,000 because 7 is the highest place value and 8 is the next number to the highest place value. And 2,512 is round off to 3,000 because 2 is the highest place value and 5 is the next number to the highest place value. So, if we subtract 8,000 minus 3,000 is equal to
5,000. Letter D.
So, how are you?
Did you understand now your lesson?
You can go over the activities. Now, I hope this will help you to answer your lesson correctly.
If you have still questions, you can ask the help of your guardians, parents, or your teachers. Thank you for listening. God bless and stay safe.